zooms right in on the screen. Looks good. It looks like they're getting the first row of corn off. Glad I get to get out here and get a video of it. Let's see, over here on the side. Oh, that's great. Looks like we're going to be able to do some dragging here. Maybe this weekend or something, huh? Let's see. See you, Scott. Let's go out and play. He's here for the weekend, but I know they got to get the corn off, so. Be in the next couple weekends, guys, so stay tuned for some drag racing videos. Cornfield drags. Probably won't be as good as Dave's Farm, but we'll try to get as close as we can to it. Way down there somewhere. It's gonna be a nice stretch. First time I'll be able to lock it into four-wheel drive. I put it in 4-high once before, but there just wasn't enough room in the side yard to open it up. So we'll be able to lock it into 4-high and get a good stretch down through there. That'll be a pretty good run. Plus you can go around the side over there. See what Scott says here when they get done. Cool. Good ditch right there too, coming through them cattails. We'll bust them babies down. That ought to make a nice big fluff pile, huh, when we go through it. Ooh. Looks like it's snowing early. Go right through that baby. Ah, here he comes. Way down there. Cool. I don't know if I can zoom in on that. Might get done up in the morning, it might be all done. Combine's still out there working. We'll turn it around. It's a spaceship. We'll probably have a clear field in the morning. These guys work all hours of the night. That'd be full. Let it back up. Think he's full. He's gonna go unload. Yeah, he's trucking up through there. Gonna go unload. He's full.